Today I am going to show you how to create polka dot pattern using in Photoshop. At first, I am open my Photoshop CC221 and create a file with 100 pixel width with 100 with 100 and height 100 and the resolution is 72. Then click create. After that, I'm zoom in this file. Then I'm click a new layer from the layer panel. After that, I will go to shape tool, click the ellipse tool. Now from the keyboard, press at first I'm removing the outline from the shape tool from top and fill color, click the fill color black color like black, the fill color black. Okay, then I'll go to toolbar, click the rectangle marker tool and select the layer. After click move tool, from the top click from the top control so transform control right, click the align horizontal center, vertical horizontal. After that, and deselect all. Now I am copy the shape from the layer 4 and moving all this like this. Move like this. After that, from the layer panel, remove the background. Then go to the edit menu. Click the define pattern. Here the name. Write which you want as you want. Writing polka. And then how you use this pattern. At first, I'll go to the file menu, new file, then width 9020, 1008. It 1008, 1080. Click create. Now go to the layer menu and click the new adjustment layer here and click solid color. Here now I am selecting a color from the new adjustment layer. Now what I'm going to do here, right click and blending option, go to the click the pattern overlay, click the checkbox. See, my pattern already show in this color, background color. What I'm going to do, after that, size some like this. Now click OK. Now see the result. See, everything I can change the which I want to say color, change color, everything change the background color, but the polar dot not coloring. So what I have to do, at first I'm clicking create new adjustment layer, click a solid color, then click OK. Move after first color fill color 1. Now see, now click the color fill 1, then fill color 100% to decrease 0%. Now see the result. After that I'm clicking fill color 1, right click create, convert to a smart object. Click convert to a smart object. Then click double click here. After that, what I have to do, click the checkbox, click color overlay. Now see the result. The polka dot color is running. When I click the color box, see the result. Click the white color, polka dot color changes. Now see the result. Red color, black color, white color. Everything can be a polka dot color. Now how to use the, the polka dot effect in the shape. When I'm using the shape, this polka dot effect, first I'm go to click the toolbar, triangle tool.